प्रधानमंत्री अपने पूरे परिवार के साथ वोट डालने आए हैं। प्रधानमंत्री अभी अपने अपने भाई से मिलते हुए, और यहाँ पर वी हैव Mohit also joining us. Mohit, what more can you tell us? The Prime Minister has come in with his whole family. The connect with the youth can be seen on the ground.
You see, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was being told has gone to meet his brother, and it has been a convention every time around. Whenever Prime Minister Narendra Modi comes to Gandhinagar to vote or for a opportunity, usually goes to his brother Soma Bhai to visit. Now, given the fact that the Prime Minister has taken to the central politics, he doesn't visit Gujarat that often. Yes, there are various programs the Prime Minister visits, and whenever Prime Minister gets a chance, he goes to visit his brother. And we have seen, and that is why we have seen that how huge number of BJP workers, and in fact, I have worked with various people. They say that they are not BJP workers, but they have come over here to see a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that is why we saw that our Prime Minister Narendra Modi was walking towards the primary school where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be voting, and the candidate from Gandhinagar, Home Minister Amit Shah, was also walking with him. Now, as we were discussing earlier, that there are 25 seats in the fray, given the fact that one seat has already gone to the BJP, and the BJP believes that they are riding on the popularity of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the development model of the government. They will surely be getting all these seats, and the cadre of the Congress, of the BJP rather, here is also very strong, and that is why you can see in these visuals that how people have gathered over here in huge numbers. Welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and they say that they have come over here to see a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and post this they will be going out to vote. So in some time from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be voting, and after that, whether Prime Minister will make any statement or not, that remains to be seen. But you can see the sea of crowd over here to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to catch this one glimpse that what exactly Prime Minister would be doing today. And as of now, while we speak,
right, Mohit, we also have the visuals live on our screens. Prime Minister has been marked with the ink, and now he is moving forward to cast his vote. We can see the Prime Minister, and this is the moment, viewers, a big statement coming in from the Prime Minister himself that go out and vote. This is the third phase of elections. 26 seats in Gujarat are going into polling. One seat has been already been secured by the BJP with the Surat withdrawing of the Congress candidate, and the BJP securing the Surat seat. You can see the visuals on your screen live. The Prime Minister has voted finally now, and now he is waving at the people and meeting others inside the polling booth. After this, the Prime Minister will be heading out again to walk towards his car and convoy. He came early in the morning, and Mohit, if you can tell us, how's the josh on the ground? लोग वहाँ पर सुबह से खड़े थे मोदी जी को देखने के लिए, और फाइनली मोदी जी आए, अमित शाह उनके साथ हैं, और अपने मोदी जी पूरे परिवार के साथ वोट डालने आए.
Well, in fact, people have been waiting here since 5 a.m. in the morning. We had word with the workers over here, the locals over here. They say, some of them stated that they are not the BJP workers. In fact, they have come to see a glimpse of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that is why we see that how there's a massive welcome for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, when it comes to Gujarat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, son of Gujarat, the development model of the Gujarat before 2014 elections was being campaigned about by the BJP, that this is the model that they will be replicating throughout the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, if he comes to the center, Gujarat model will be replicated, and that is why Gujarat is very important when it comes to the politics of the BJP. That is the model that is being set forward in terms of the national politics too. The people over here say that there has been massive development over in past few years, and hence they will vote on the development. So clearly, when it comes to Gujarat, BJP has a quite strong hold, and that is quite evident. But
right,
you cannot predict the vote.
Prime Minister himself says that pehle matdan fir jalpan, and this is a strong message coming out from him, that he has come out early in the morning to vote, and now he is meeting the people around. So many people have gathered, including children, early in the morning to meet the Prime Minister and greet him. And this is like what the Prime Minister says, viewers, pehle matdan fir jalpan, and the true to his words is the Prime Minister standing up. And now you can see he is heading back to his convoy. He will be going back, but he came out early in the morning, cast his to cast his vote. The Home Minister is also accompanying him. Elder brother Somabhai has also been there to greet the Prime Minister, and you can see how the Prime Minister is now meeting the crowd earlier also. Now he's showing his inked finger, a very big and important visual so far, viewers. The Prime Minister has voted, and now remains to be seen what the voter turnout be, because Prime Minister himself coming out will be a boost to the voter turnout in this constituency. You can see the Prime Minister is showing his inked finger to the crowd, sending out a big message that this is the time, the dance of democracy is on, and you need to come out and vote. Vote is the only thing you need to do, viewers, and go out. The Times Now also urges everybody who's watching right now in Gujarat and other areas as well, that go out, cast your vote and exercise your democratic right. We have the Prime Minister now showing his inked finger, waving at the crowd. He also met people who were standing since 5 a.m. lining up outside the polling booth to meet the Prime Minister.
100 मीटर 150 मीटर के आगे वो मीडिया वालों से बात भी करने वाले हैं.
We saw that how, people gathered around and now queuing up. We have also Mohit. Now the Prime Minister is again back to meeting people. He has accepted he has also given out some few autographs to people. Some drawings were handed out, and you can see how people have lined up. He also followed the model code of conduct, parked his vehicle before 100 meters. He is also not wearing or showing the logo of the Bharatiya Janata Party that he has been carrying around throughout his campaigning. Yes, Mohit, if you can hear me. Well, we seem to be having some issues with Mohit's line, but viewers, as you can see, the Prime Minister came out, as he says, "Pehle matdan, fir jalpan," and that's what he did. He is now meeting the people who have gathered outside the polling station. The Prime Minister came early in the morning to vote, and you can see how people have gathered from all walks of life to meet the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister has been saying and urging people to come out and vote. What will happen in the Gujarat and the other areas remains to be seen, but Surat is the one seat where the BJP has already won, and now remains to be seen. Amit Shah also will be casting his vote, and you can see on your visuals how the Prime Minister is greeting everybody personally, writing, signing off autographs and meeting others. He's also showing his inked finger. That's a big message that he also spoke about various issues while campaigning, and he's saying that whatever it is, the development should not be deterred, and the focus on development has also been highlighted with the exclusive conversation that the Prime Minister had with Times Now. That will be coming up, viewers, at 10 a.m. So don't go anywhere. He has also spoken on various issues that will be coming straight to you at 10 a.m. The Prime Minister himself will be speaking on a wide range of topics, and you can see now the Prime Minister is heading back with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Union Home Minister, let's talk about Union Home Minister Amit Shah for a bit. Viewers, Amit Shah is contesting from Gandhinagar against Congress candidate. Amit Shah has been winning the seat since 2014-19, and the last time when the Congress party had gained a majority of votes over BJP was in 1984, when the Congress party had some